Everybody, this is TJ from Yugioh Vids, back at you once again. So, today's the day. You guys have subscribed, liked, and commented on our video, depending on if you liked Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Pokemon better. So, with that, we are pulling the name today. Who is going to win our mysterious prize? Find out in just a little bit. First, we're going to do a little opening, and at the end of this video, we will choose our winner. So let's find out who that will be at the end of this video. Right now, we got a little dual power Yu-Gi-Oh cards to open. We also have some legendary packs that I just got today. Pharaoh's Servant, Legend of the Blue Eyes, White Dragon, Spell Ruler, another Spell Ruler, Pharaoh's Servant, Legend, Spell Ruler, Metal Raiders, and Pharaoh's Servant. So I got 1, 2, 3, and a 4. So we're going to open these up on our video, open up that dual power box, see what that has inside, and go from there. Once we're done with the video, almost done with the video, we will go into our 25 subscriber giveaway. So let's find out who that is right at the end of this video. We're going to start off with Metal Raiders. Alright, Guardians of the Labyrinth, Castle of Dark Illusions, Gigatech Wolf, Labyrinth Tank, Elegant Egotist. Alright, not bad. Now we're going to start off with the Legend of the Blue Eyes White Dragon. We got 2 packs of those. Might as well open both of those right away. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and comment if you have any more ideas on giveaways coming up. We got a 100 person giveaway coming up. Once we hit 100, we're at 41 right now. We dropped a couple. It was at 43. We got Gaia, the Dragon Champion from Legend of the Blue Eyes White Dragon. Awesome. Nice card right there. Alright, here we go. Root Water, Fizzer, Dragon Treasure, Beaver Warrior. Alright, we're going to go into Pharaoh's Servant. See what we can get in here. Found these today at my local Target. 3-headed Greedo. Here we go. Souls of the Forgotten, Sword Hunter, Twin-headed Fire Dragon, Burning Land. Alright, last one of Pharaoh's Servant. And then we go into Spell Ruler. Out of these 4 packs, what is one of your favorite? I know I like the Legend of the Blue Eyes White Dragon. That has always been my favorite. Limiter Removal. Nice card there. Armor Glass. Alright, Spell Ruler. Electric Snake. Alright, next pack. Labyrinth Wall. The Forceful Sentry. Nice card. Karate Man. So I have not opened one of these dual power boxes yet. This will be my first time opening up one of those. So I'm excited to see what's inside there. And I do see the Dark Magician on the top. So hoping one of those are in there. Mahavelo, Giant Rat. All right. Last pack. And then we're going to go into that dual power. There we go. Stone Ogre Grotto. Confiscation. Amoeba. All right. Let's open up that dual power. See what's inside there. This is the back. Looks like there's a game board. 6 ultra rares, alternate art, variant cards per box, and 6 dual power packs per box. 5 ultra rares per pack. All right, let's see what we can get. All right, so first off, in the little pack here, we got some cards. Let's open that up. I already seen Dark Magician, Elemental Hero Neo, Stardust Dragon, number 39 Utopia, Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon, and Decode Talker. Nice cards there. I really like that Dark Magician. All right, we got 6 packs of this dual power. So let's see what we can get in there. Soul Pendulum, Dark Magical Circle, Heretic Seal of the Heavenly Spheres, Backup Supervisor, XYZ Change Tactics. All right. Silver Gadget, Necrozmir, Infinity Impermanence, Toon Dark Magician Girl. All right. And Smile Sorcerer. All right, so here you go. Going into the next pack. Hot Red Dragon Archfiend King Calamity. All right. Tactical Exchanger, Cyber Dragon, Stardust Wish, and Mark of the Rose. Next pack. All right. Lefty Driver, Righty Driver, Decode Destruction. All these are ultra rares. They look really nice. Lefty Driver, Soul Pendulum, Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit, Toon Dark Magician Girl. All right, got 2 of those now. All right, Lefty Driver, Necroz of Valkyries, Harpy Dancer, and Galaxy Soldier. I think there's one more thing in here. Yes, there is. We got a game board. I was looking forward to this one. Saw it on the back. You got the Dark Magician, Stardust Dragon, Neos, and others. Awesome on the one side. And then on the other side, dual power with Dark Magician and Neos. I like that game board. I really do. All right, so that is with our opening today. Now to the part that you guys all have been waiting for. We have, I believe, 20 comments, 20 people who have liked our video, who have commented down below. Should be 19 or 20. So here we go. I got our video loaded up here. I'm gonna turn this a little bit so it makes it a little easier. Got our video loaded up here. I'm going to take the URL, copy it. Let's go over to the YouTube random comment picker. So we're going to paste that in. All right, here we go. Get your comments. All right, here we go. Let's find out who it is going to be. All right. Let me just take our name out of there, just in case. There we go. Here we go. We're going to start this off. Let's find out who the winner is. The winner today is going to be Speed FIFA iOS. So there we go. Speed FIFA iOS. I'm going to be replying to your comment. Make sure that you comment back with all of your information, or send me an email with all of your information. I will make sure that you go from there, and let's make sure that you are verified with everything. So here we go. Thank you guys for watching today. Make sure you subscribe. We need about 59 more people to get into our next giveaway. I will find out when that is next time. It's going to be a little bit of time. Let's find out, and make sure you guys share our videos so we can get more people coming on, so we can get more giveaways. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.